Good morning to all of you. In our previous classes, we solved the quadratic equation through factorization method and completing square root method. Now today we observed the quadratic formula to how to we find the zeros or the roots of the quadratic equation. So for that purpose, first what is the formula knowing purpose, first we taking the quadratic equation general formula. So that is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now this quadratic equation to solving, that means find the x value through completing square root method. That means what we have to do, first we have to transfer the constant term to RHS side. That means here the constant term is plus c. Now plus c transfer to that side, minus c. 0 minus c is nothing but minus c. So x square plus bx is equal to minus c. Next, the x square term we have to interchange as a square. So here a there, but we want to write as a square. That means here in the place of a, root a taken, means root a whole square is nothing but a. So root a whole square into x square. That means it will be written as simply root a into x whole square plus bx is equal to minus c. Next, here bx there. So now this term we have to interchange as 2ab. But here a is root a x there. So that purpose now we interchange this one as root a x whole square plus 2ab term we want to write. So 2 into here a term is root a x and b term we have to write. So here bx there, that means b we want to write. Now here b into x bx, that means here the extra numbers are 2 into root a. So that one not their purpose, 2 root a b2 multiplication to a. So dividing with 2 root a, that equal to minus c. Now here the b term is b by 2 root a. So we want to change a plus b whole square principle purpose, b by 2 root a whole square 2. That means b square term we adding. So by adding b by 2 root a whole square, that is nothing but b square by 2 square equal to 4 root a whole square, means a on both sides. That means now we can write root a x whole square plus 2 into root a x into b by 2 root a plus b by 2 root a whole square is equal to minus c plus b square by 4a. Now if we observe the LHS side, root a x whole square plus 2 into root a x into b by 2 root a plus b by 2 root a whole square. That means it is nothing but in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is nothing but a plus b whole square. So here a is nothing but root a x and b is nothing but b by 2 root a. Okay, so root a x plus b by 2 root a whole square is equal to, now RHS side if we observe means b square by 4a minus c there. So here minus c means its denominator is nothing but 1. So here 1 and 4a LCM is 4a. So now that 4a common LCM taken means now here it is multiplying with minus 4ac plus b square. That means now we can write root a x plus b by 2 root a whole square equal to b square minus 4ac by 4a. Now here we want to find the x value finding purpose, now here it is the perfect square. So square root on both sides, square will be cancelled, then we have a chance to find. So that means root a x plus b by 2 root a is equal to plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here root x by y means we can write root x by root y. That means here I written 2a, 4a. So under root b square minus 4ac by root 4a. So root 4a means root xy means root x into root y. So root 4 means we can write 2 into root a. So root ax plus b by 2 root a equal to plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now this plus b by 2 root a transfer to that side, minus b by 2 root a. So root ax is equal to minus b by 2 root a plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2 root a. Now here if we observe the both of the fractions, 2 root a is the same denominator. That means the two fractions are like fractions. So directly add or subtract the numerators. So root a x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2 root a. We want to find x value. That purpose root a is transferring this side. Now root a is x2 multiplication doing. So this side transferred means that will be dividing. So x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2 root a into root a. Now root a into root a is nothing but root a square. Root a square is a. So x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So it is the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula for the general form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is nothing but minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we have two roots there. The two roots there purpose here one is x1 equal to, we want to take addition, minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and the second 0 x2 equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So these two are the two zeros are two roots of the quadratic equation. Now we solve the quadratic equations through quadratic formula. So here given the question, find the roots of the quadratic equation by applying the quadratic formula, and the problem is given 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. So by the general formula x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 to compare, here a is nothing but 2 and b is equal to minus 1. C is equal to minus 4. So a is the x square coefficient, b is x coefficient and c is constant term. So now quadratic formula if we applied, the x value is nothing but the principal is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, that equal to minus b, that means minus of minus 1 plus or minus under root b square minus 1 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a equal to 1 and c is minus 4 by 2a. So 2 into a is 2. Minus of minus 1, that is nothing but 1. So minus into minus is plus. Next root 1 minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole square is plus 1. So 4 2 ja 8, 8 4 ja 32. Minus into minus is plus. So 1 plus 32 under root 2 2 ja is nothing but 4. So under root 1 plus 32 is 33. So 1 plus or minus root 33 by 4. So it is the x value. So here one is plus root 33, one is minus root 33. So therefore now we x equal to, we can write 1 plus root 33 by 4 and 1 minus root 33 by 4. So these are the two roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Now here we observe the second problem. The second quadratic equation is given 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. So the general form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 to compare. Here a value is nothing but x square coefficient, that is 4, and b value is x coefficient, that is 4 root 3, and c value is constant term, that is plus 3. Now here we apply the quadratic formula. Now x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here b is 4 root 3. So minus 4 root 3 plus or minus under root b square, that means 4 root 3 whole square minus 4ac. So 4 into 4 into 3 by 2a, 2 into 4. So minus 4 root 3 plus or minus under root 4 root 3 whole square. So here root ab whole square means a square into b square, that means 4 square into root 3 whole square. 4 square equal to 16, root 3 whole square equal to 3. So 16 3 ja 48 minus 4 4 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48 by 2 into 4, 2 4 ja is 8. So minus 4 root 3 plus or minus under root 48 minus 48 is nothing but 0. So root 0 is 0 only. So minus 4 root 3 plus 0 is nothing but minus 4 root 3 by 8. So 4 ones, 4 twos. That means x value is nothing but minus root 3 by 2. Okay. So here for the quadratic equation 4x square plus 4 root 3 x plus 3 has the root minus root 3 by 2. For the quadratic equation 5x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0 to roots finding. So by the general formula x square plus bx plus c, quadratic formula 2 if we compare, now here a is x square coefficient, that is nothing but 5, and b means x coefficient, that is minus 7, and c constant term is minus 6. So here a equal to 5, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to minus 6, and the quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, that equal to minus b. So here b equal to minus 7 given. So minus of minus 7 plus or minus under root b square. So minus 7 whole square minus 4ac. So minus 4 into a equal to 5 into c equal to minus 6 by 2a. So 2 into a equal to 5. So minus of minus 7, minus into minus is nothing but plus, that means it is plus 7 plus or minus under root minus 7 whole square, minus 7 whole square is 49. Now 4 5 are 20, 20 into 6, 20 into 6 equal to 120. So minus into minus is plus, so plus 120 by 2 into 5 is nothing but 10. So 7 plus or minus under root 49 plus 120, 49 plus 120 is nothing but 169. So 169 by 10. So under root 169 is nothing but 13. So 7 plus or minus 13 by 10. That means 7 plus 13 by 10, 7 minus 13 by 10. So 7 plus 13 by 10, 7 minus 13 by 10. 7 plus 13 is nothing but 20, 20 by 10. 20 by 10 means 10 1 ja 10 2s. Next 7 minus 13. 7 minus 13 is nothing but 6 by 10. So here minus 13, that purpose minus 6. 2 3s 2 5s. So minus 3 by 5. So the roots of the quadratic equation 5x square minus 7x plus minus 6 equal to 0 are 2 and minus 3 by 5. Here given the next quadratic equation is x square plus 5 equal to minus 6x. So first minus 6x transfer to this side, that means LHS side. Now it becomes x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Now here it is in the form of general form. So x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0, comparing with the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now here a, that is nothing but x square coefficient, that is 1, and b, that is the x coefficient, that is 6, and c is constant term, that is equal to 5. Now if we apply the quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that equal to minus b. So minus 6 plus or minus under root b square, 6 square minus 4ac, 4 into a equal to 1 and c equal to 5 by 2 into a is nothing but 1. So minus 6 plus or minus root under root 6 square is nothing but 36 minus 4 1 ja 4, 4 into 5 is 20 by 2 ones 2. So minus 6 plus or minus under root 36 minus 20 is nothing but 16. So root 16 is nothing but 4. So minus 6 plus or minus 4 by 2. That means now we take minus 6 plus 4 by 2 minus 6 minus 4 by 2. Minus 6 plus 4 is nothing but minus 2. So minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2 means 2 ones, that means minus 1. Minus 6 minus 4 is nothing but minus 10. Minus 10 by 2 means minus 5. 2 ones, 2 5s. So the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 5 equal to minus 6x are minus 1 and minus 5. Now here the given next quadratic equation is 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Find the roots of this quadratic equation. So now this quadratic equation comparing with the general form of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now here a is nothing but 2 and b is minus 2 root 2 and c is 1. So x square coefficient is 2, x coefficient is minus 2 root 2 and the constant term is 1. Now here if we observe x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here b value is minus 2 root 2. So minus of minus 2 root 2 plus or minus under root b square. So minus 2 root 2 whole square minus 4ac. So 4 into a equal to 2, c equal to 1. 4 into 2 into 1 by 2a. So a is equal to 2. Minus of minus 2 root 2, that is nothing but plus 2 root 2. Minus into minus is equal to plus. So plus or minus under root minus 2 root 2 whole square, that is nothing but 2 square equal to 4 root 2 whole square equal to 2. So 4 2 ja 8. So 4 2 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8. So my 8 minus 8 by 2 2s, that is 4. Under root 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So 2 root 2 plus or minus root 0 by 4. So root 0 is nothing but 0. So 2 root 2 plus or minus 0 is 2 root 2 only. So 2 root 2 by 4. Now 2 ones, 2 2s, that means root 2 by 2. Now 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So root 2 gets cancelled, that means 1 by root 2. So the x value is nothing but 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is the root of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Here given the problem, find the roots of the following equations. X minus 1 by x equal to 3, x is not equal to 0. Why? Because here denominator x, there if x equal to 0 we substitute, 1 by 0 is nothing but undefined. So that purpose x value is not 0, we have to substitute. So the given equation is x minus 1 by x equal to 3. So we have to interchange this equation as quadratic equation. So that purpose now the LCM doing here x is means x denominator is nothing but 1 and here 1 by x means its denominator is x. So the LCM is x. So x into x is x square minus 1 equal to 3. Now the denominator x transfer to the side, that is nothing but multiplication. So x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. So now that plus 3x transfer to LHS side, now it is x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Now here we compare this equation x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0 with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is nothing but 1 and b is nothing but minus 3 and c is nothing but minus 1. So a means x square coefficient, b means x coefficient and c is constant term, that are 1 minus 3 minus 1. Now we apply the quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here b value is minus 3. So minus of minus 3 plus or minus under root b square. So minus 3 whole square minus 4ac. So minus 4 into a value is 1 and c value is minus 1. So 4 into 1 into minus 1 by 2a. So 2 into a value is 1. So minus of minus 3, that is nothing but plus 3 plus or minus under root 3 square is 9, minus 3 whole square is also 9 only. So minus 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into minus 4 into 1 is minus 4, minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. So under root 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4 is nothing but 13. So 3 plus or minus root 13 by 2. 13 has no square root, that means now we can write x equal to 3 plus root 13 by 2, 3 minus root 13 by 2. So now 3 plus root 13 by 2, 3 minus root 13 by 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 1 minus 3x equal to 0. Otherwise x minus 1 by x equal to 3, equation 2. Next equation 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 equal to 3 and x is not equal to 0 and 2. So here x equal to 0 means it is undefined. If x equal to 2 means it is undefined. That purpose x values are not be taken as 0 and 2. So now the given equation is 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 equal to 3. Now here for solving that purpose, first we have to interchange it as a normal general form. So that purpose here we have to do LCM. So here the denominators are x here, x minus 2. So the LCM of x minus 2 is nothing but x into x minus 2. So x into x minus 2. That means here x minus 1 into x minus 2 is x minus 2 minus 1 into x is nothing but x equal to 3. Now x minus x in that numerator, that will be cancelled. That means minus 2 by x into x, x square minus x into 2 is 2x equal to 3. Now the denominator x square minus 2x transfer to this side, that is the multiplication. So minus 2 is equal to 3 into x square minus 2x. Now 3 into x square minus 2x means 3 into x square is 3x square, 3 into minus 2x is minus 6x. So 3x square minus 6x equal to minus 2. Now this minus 2 transfer to RHS, that is plus 2. So 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Now here this quadratic equation, now compare with the general form of the quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 to, now here a is x square coefficient is 3, b is x coefficient is minus 6 and c is constant term is 2. Now we apply the quadratic formula. Now x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here b value is minus 6 given, so minus of minus 6 plus or minus under root b square minus 6 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a equal to 3, c equal to 2, 4 into 3 into 2 by 2 into a value is 3, minus of minus 6 is nothing but plus 6 under root plus or minus, so minus 6 whole square is nothing but plus 36, so 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, so minus 24 by 2 3 ja 6, so under root 36 minus 24, that means 36 minus 24 is nothing but 12, so that equal to 6 plus or minus under root 12 by 6. Now here root 12 means we can write this one as under root 4 into 3. So root AB is nothing but root A into root B. That means root 4 into root 3. Root 4 means we can write 2 into root 3. That means root 12 means now we can write 2 root 3. So 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 6. Now 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So here 2 and here 2 are the common. That purpose the 2 taking common. Now here 2 3 ja 6 plus or minus 2 already came outside. That purpose root 3 by 6. That 6 can be written as 2 3 ja 2 2 gets cancelled. That means 3 plus or minus root 3 by 3. So the x values are nothing but 3 plus root 3 by 3, 3 minus root 3 by 3. So now these 3 plus or minus root 3 by 3 are the zeros of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. That is nothing but 1 by x minus 1 by x by 2 equal to 3 2. Roots are 3 plus root 3 by 3, 3 minus root 3 by 3. Given find the roots of the equation, that is 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equal to 11 by 30, and x values are not minus 4 plus 7. So if minus 4 substitute, then it is undefined. If plus 7 substitute, then also it is undefined. Now here the given equation writing 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equal to 11 by 30. Now here if we doing the LCM of these denominators, that is nothing but x plus 4 into x minus 7. Now here by the cross multiplication, x minus 7 minus half x plus 4 equal to 11 by 30. So minus 2 multiplication x plus 4 minus into x is minus x, minus into plus 4 is minus 4. So x minus 7 minus x minus 4 by x plus 4 into x minus 7. So x is multiplying with x minus 7, x into x is x square plus x into minus 7 is minus 7x plus 4 into x minus 7. 4 into x is plus 4x plus 4 into minus 7 is nothing but minus 28 equal to 11 by 30. So x minus x gets cancelled. Minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11 by x square minus 7x plus 4x is minus 3x minus 28 equal to 11 by 30. Now this minus 11 transferring this side, division. So 1 by x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to 11 by 30 into minus 11. So 11 gets cancelled. So 30 into minus 1, that is nothing but minus 30. So 1 by x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to 1 by minus 30. Now by the cross multiplication, x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to minus 30. Now minus 30 transferring this side, that is plus 30. X square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 equal to 0. Now 30 minus 28 is nothing but 2. So x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So here we find the x value. So x square coefficient is 1 and the constant term is 2. So by that product we want to get plus 2. By addition, that x coefficient is minus 3. We want to get minus 3. That means here which two numbers product is plus 2 coming, addition is minus 3 coming. That are nothing but minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. That means in the place of minus 3x, now we are writing minus 2x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Now here x square means we can write x into x, and 2x means we can write 2 into x. So that x common taken, we can write x into x minus 2. Now here x means we can write 1 into x, 2 means 1 into 2. So now in this both 1 is the common one. So that minus 1 common taken means here x minus into plus is nothing but minus 1 2 2 equal to 0. That means here both to observe x minus 2 is the common factor. That x minus 2 common one taken, here remained 1 is x and here remained 1 is minus 1 equal to 0. That means either x minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0 means x minus 2 equal to 0, otherwise x minus 1 equal to 0. If x minus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to 1. If x minus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to 2. Therefore the x values are 1 and 2.